एक अजीब चीज है इन पिज्जाओं की, इनके बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग नाम है। दिस इज द काउ गर्ल पिज्जा। This is my and our country's favorite food, and served with rice. Just one thing like this, with a little gravy. Devil bao with prawn in it, and it's full and it's stuffed. Let's try it. I could kill for bread. I could kill for bread. मैं रहता हूं मलाबार हिल में और मैं आया हूं ऑल द वे मलाड, जो लगभग 30-32 किलोमीटर दूर है मेरे लिए। और अगर मैं ये 1.5 घंटे का सफर करके आया हूं, इसका मतलब ये है उसका खाना नंबर 1 होना चाहिए, और नंबर 1 ही है, इसलिए मैं यहां आया हूं। अगर आपको याद है कि हमने कुछ महीने पहले बहुत अच्छे पिज्जास का एपिसोड किया था लिटिल गैम्बी परेल में। उन्होंने नया ब्रांच खोला है मलाड में, जो सिर्फ पिज्जा लिटिल गैम्बी नहीं है, लिटिल गैम्बी भी है और हंग्री गॉन्ग भी है। सो लेट्स गो एंड वहां पूछते हैं खाने में क्या है। When you say that the atmosphere is bold and high energy, look at the food. Even the food is sparkling with energy. It's full of color, it looks robust, it looks wholesome, and it looks delicious. I know this is a hell of a lot of food in front of me. There are about 5 kinds of pizzas and a lot of Hungry Kong food. I'm going to try and go through this one by one, but please forgive me अगर मैं ये पूरा खाना खा ना पाऊँ, और एक आदमी इतना खाना खाना भी नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए जो भी करूंगा थोड़ा थोड़ा टेस्ट करूंगा, आपके लिए करूंगा। शुरुआत करते हैं इन सब पिज्जाओं के साथ। पिज्जा मैंने लिटिल गैम्बी के खाए हैं पहले, और बहुत ही अच्छे पिज्जा है। एक अजीब चीज है इन पिज्जाओं की कि इनके नाम जो है ना पिज्जा के, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग नाम है। जैसे कि ये जो पिज्जा है इसका नाम है वाइफी, और मैंने पूछा कि इसको वाइफी क्यों कहते हैं, क्योंकि ये मार्गरीटा पिज्जा है, सिंपल है, घर जैसा है, इसलिए ये वाइफी है। अगर पिज्जा घर जैसा ना हो तो उसका नाम मुझे पता नहीं है, लेकिन ये जो पिज्जा है दिस इज अ रिवॉल्वर। रिवॉल्वर बोले तो समझ आया ना आपको, रिवॉल्वर मैंने बिकॉज इट्स स्पाइसी, चिकन एंड स्पाइसी। दिस इज कॉल्ड धमाका। धमाका क्योंकि इसमें चिकन टिक्का मसाला है, फुल हिंदुस्तानी धमाका। और 2 पिज्जा है, मेरे हाथ नहीं पहुंच रहे, लेकिन यहां से शुरुआत तो करता हूं मैं। लेट मी स्टार्ट विद दिस। दिस इज अ रियली गुड मार्गरीटा, वेरी चीजी एंड नाइस। अब प्लेन सिंपल वाइफी से जाते हैं रिवॉल्वर। एक्साइटिंग, स्पाइसी चिकन इन बफलो सॉस। ये एक इंपोर्टेड डिश है पिज्जा, जो इटली से आई है, लेकिन हमने उसे पूरा अपना लिया है। पिज्जा ब्रेड लेके, पिज्जा डो लेने के बाद उसके ऊपर जो हमें डालना है हम डाल सकते हैं, जैसे कि ये वाला, जिसमें चिकन टिक्का मसाला डाला है, क्योंकि हमारे टेस्ट को चिकन टिक्का मसाला बहुत पसंद है। दिस इज द धमाका, that is why, and it's called a dhamaka because it's got chicken tikka masala on it. I've been eating all these pizzas from this end. I was thinking, should I start from this end? No, I think at this end, because I like the meat. अब सोचो, चिकन टिक्का मसाला है और आप नान के साथ खा रहे हो, एक उसका फ्लेवर होता है। ये भी ब्रेडी है, लेकिन इसका जो मजा है कुछ अलग ही है, क्योंकि इसमें चीज भी है ना। This is the cowgirl pizza made out of barbecue chicken, and I can see 2 things that I really like on this pizza. One is chilies and 2 is onion. Onion, I love onion, especially when onion goes into an oven and comes out slightly softened and slightly sweet. I knew it. There's a slight sweetness to this because of the sauce and because of the onion. Plus, there is the whole robustness of barbecue sauce and chicken, roasted chicken. And one of the favorite ways we like paneer tikka is in the makhan wala gravy. So you have paneer tikka, makhan wala. अभी आप सोचो, मैंने 5 पिज्जाज के 5 बड़े-बड़े बाइट्स लिए हैं. Logically, मेरा पेट भर जाना चाहिए अभी तक, लेकिन नहीं, अभी तक पेट में जगह है. They also have sandwiches, which are going to be very difficult for me to pick up because they are so big and full of things. See, it's called Bangkok Fiesta because what is inside is as festive as the food that you get in Bangkok. It's got paneer, which you don't get in Bangkok too much of, but it's got all the spices that make Thai food so good. It's got basil and soft brioche, which is a very nice bread for sandwiches because it's light, fluffy, soft, and slightly sweet. Shall we get Asian or what? Huh?
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken. Frankie's chicken in a minute.
Come together with Venky's.
मेरा इटली और अमेरिका दौरा खत्म हो गया. अब थोड़ा एशिया की तरफ आते हैं. We've got dim sum, we've got bowls with ready to eat. This is the way it is served. So you just take the bowl and you eat it. And that is what I'm going to do. This is not truffle edamame. Out of all the veg dim sums that you can get, these are probably my favoritist because I'm not very fond of other veg dim sums. There's a lovely little flavor of truffle coming and the creaminess of mashed edamame, and the outer film is just delicate and nice. Now we've got something that has been tossed around in spices. So this is a chicken dumpling tossed in spicy chili oil with a little bit of garnishing, the way we like it, because some of us don't like bland food at all, don't we? We like thoda masaledar hona chahiye, na? You know, whether it is dim sum, gyozas, momos, again, we've taken these dishes and we've made them our own. I know chili oil is very Chinese, but the overall impact is of nice, bold food. Bold being the key word of Little Gambi and Hungry Kong. Thanks to Shemaru, we're now available on in-flight entertainment across multiple airlines. Catch us on screen, on board, and in front of you, exclusively by Shemaru. And we've got baos as well. Korean bao with paneer in it. I like the way the bao itself is. The stuffing is nice because of the crunchiness of all the fresh vegetables. The paneer inside, I'm trying to get to. So the paneer is soft and fresh, but fried with the crispy batter, a slight sweetness to the sauce, slight spiciness. All in all, quite exciting. And now to my favorite, prawn. This is the spicy devil bao with prawn in it. And it's full and it's stuffed. Let's try it. And you sit and order all these lovely finger foods, which is just perfect for an evening. Yeah? One of life's most irresistible thing, French fries, or what we used to call chips in our day. These are again, it's got a little Asian touch to it. Togarashi, Japanese spices, spices meaning spicy. We've had cheesy fries, we've had truffle fries, we've had fries with peri-peri on them, but this Togarashi is going quite well. Very nice. I will not spoil it by dipping into tomato ketchup. And these are peri-peri. Nice little tikka. Beautiful. I'm slowly winding down. Pull me apart, garlic bread. Oh, I could kill for bread. The garlic bread with cheese, huh? Not just garlic bread.
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken. Frankie's Chicken in a minute.
Come together with Drankies.
Now, something that we as a people originally from Burma have embraced so well, which is the cow sway. The genius of the cow sway is in one, the noodles, which are okay, then two in the curry and three in the condiments that you put on top. Over here, it comes pre-prepared. Two of my favorite condiments in the world, peanuts and fried onions. Let's just go for it. Oh, ho, 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 ho. It's a very, very delicate, mild flavored curry on a bed of soft noodles with chili oil in it, fried onions and peanuts mixed with vegetables which are still crunchy, which is great. Then look for a peanut. Ah, mil gaya, mil gaya, mil gaya, mil gaya. Peanut mil gaya. Cousin of the cow sway is the laksa. And here is a chicken laksa. Give it a nice stir. Find the chicken. Oh, mama. Oh. Very, very powerful, spicy, coconut-based curry. Full of flavor. Again, with the sharpness of chili oil on it. Fried onions, peanuts, vegetables, chicken, a whole meal that you can sit and it's very good actually. For us, Asian food is about chicken and rice. This is a burnt chili chicken bowl which comes with rice. Chili chicken, as you know, is my and our country's favorite food. And served with rice, just one thing like this, with a little gravy. And this chili chicken has a deeper character than the normal chili chicken. It's not full of green chilies, but it has a burnt flavor because this is burnt chili chicken. And what I love is chunks, this chunks of onions in it. So this was our, what do we call this episode? I think we should call it a bold and energetic episode. The only thing not bold and energetic in this episode is me. Because when I sit and start eating, I start becoming slower and slower and slower as I have become right now because of all this wonderful food in my stomach. This is our episode on Little Gambi and Hungry Kong. 2 or 3 cuisines that come together which are perfect for us and perfect for our mood. It's a new outlet in Malad. I think anybody living in the area of Malad, Andheri, Kandivali, Goregaon should check this place out. And if you're like me and you want to travel all the way from South Mumbai, maybe you should do it. It's worth it. अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा, मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगा, प्लीज राइट टू अस, शेयर कीजिएगा, कमेंट कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए खाने में क्या है. Everybody has challenged to eat so much food. जितना मैं मेहनत करता हूँ ना, जितना मैं काम करता हूँ खाने का, कोई नहीं करता. This is very good, huh? It's excellent.